Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from saying 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see each and every comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee1906. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. And friends, if you have more doubt, you can also email me. I have an email account on Gmail, and my Gmail ID is abhimanyubhattacharjee1906 at the rate gmail.com. So I'll spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906 And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe the channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification, friends. Okay. And friends, also do not follow this video to share with your family, relative, and friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called trying to make ends meet, trying to make ends meet, and the real cause. This topic I've covered in the last video, friends. Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called this topic, friends. Okay. And the name of the topic is a common stumbling block to wealth. This topic, friends. Okay. So, friend, this is a 100 number video, and the name of the topic is a common stumbling block to wealth. So, let us see, friends, what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, there is one emotion which is the cause of the lack of wealth in the lives of many. So, here author Joseph Murphy is telling there is only one emotion which is basically the cause and the lack of the wealth in the life of many, friends. Okay, so due to this emotion many people fail in earning money and becoming rich, friends. Okay, so let us see what is this emotion, friends, and what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, most people learn this the hard way. It is envy, for example. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling the most people they learn that is the hard way, that is called a envy. For example, so let us see what example the author Joseph Murphy is trying to make us understand with which type of example, friends. Okay, if you see a competitor depositing large sum of money in the bank, so your author Joseph Murphy is trying to make us understand with an example. He is telling if we see our competitor who is depositing a large amount of money in his bank, and you have only a meager amount to deposit, and we have only a meager amount to deposit, does it make you envious? So your author Joseph Murphy is asking a question: does it make us envious? So he's basically telling if our one of the competitors is depositing a huge amount of money in his bank account and we are depositing just a meager, just a little amount, so are we envious? So this question is being asked to us by the author Joseph Murphy, friends. Okay, the way to overcome this emotion is to say to yourself, isn't it wonderful? So this is a very big and important statement, friends. Okay, so your author Joseph Murphy is telling the only way to overcome this thing is to when we find this type of thing happening, we will say, isn't it wonderful that that person is my competitor is depositing such a big amount of money into his bank account? I rejoice in that's man prosperity. I wish him greater and a greater wealth. So whenever this happens, I should rejoice. Means we should rejoice in his happiness, and we should bless him with the prosperity and with a greater wealth, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. To entertain envious thought is devastating because it places you in a very negative position. So this is a very important statement, friends. Okay, so your author Joseph Murphy is telling just creating a envious thought, it's very negative because it puts us in a very devastating position, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Therefore, wealth flows from you instead of to you. So this is the reason that wealth flow from us instead of coming to us, friends. Okay. So this author Rosamov is telling to us in this topic. If you are ever annoyed or irritated by the prosperity or greater wealth of another, so your author Rosamov is telling that if we are ever annoyed or irritated by the greater wealth of another, claim immediately that you truly wish for him greater wealth in every possible way. So in this way we should always claim that we want that that person should cherish, grow, and in every possible way should go further in his or her life, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This will neutralize the negative thoughts in your mind and cause an ever greater measure of wealth to flow to you by the law of your own subconscious mind. So, this is a very big statement, friends. Okay, so the author Rasamaf is telling this is going to neutralize our negative thought, and it is going to cause a ever positive thought in our subconscious mind, and which will allow the money to flow through the subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So friends, this topic came to an end. In our today's topic, I have covered the concept called a common stumbling block to wealth, this topic. And friends, in our next video, I am going to cover this topic, and the name of this topic is rubbing out a greater mental block to wealth, this topic, friends. Okay. So friends, this topic came to an end, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care. And I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay.